For this video, we are comparing two powerful creative tools, which is Invideo and Canva. Both are fantastic for making engaging videos, but they shine in different areas. So let's dive in and see which one might work best for you. So let's start with Invideo, which is about helping you create videos quickly without compromising quality. So one of the famous Invideo's feature is its text to video. You can turn a script or a topic. You just need to type it in this section right here, and you can turn it into a video in minutes, and it is perfect if you want to save time. So also, InVideo provides access to over 1 million stock assets, including different videos, images, and also music, giving you plenty of variety for all your projects. So you can get extensive control over design, your elements, change the colors, the fonts, animations, and the overlays to fit your brand or message. So InVideo also offers HD exports, which ensures professional quality and even provides options to adjust video resolution depending on the platform you are targeting. So InVideo also lets you collaborate with team members in real time, which is great for teams working remotely. Now let us go with the pros and cons of this tool. Now first, for the pros, this is perfect for quick, professional looking video creation. Extensive library of media, photos, and more will be really helpful to customize your project or your video, and it has customizable options for brand consistency also. So it has again HD export for quality and multiple aspect ratio, and its text to video saves time and boosts productivity. Now for the cons of it, it has the features of it, or some of the features are available only on paid plans, which these are the plans that you can get here in video, and it also has only a limited flexibility for extremely customized design. So now let's look at Canva. So Canva is more of an all-in-one design platform with a solid focus on video too. So Canva offers templates across different media types, including social media posts, posters, presentations, and as well as video templates. So Canva has a broad media library also, including stock images, graphics, icons, and videos. And you can edit videos with a variety of tools, though the options are a bit more limited compared to InVideo when it comes to complex animations and transitions. So Canva makes it easy to add text, shapes, graphic elements, which can be helpful if you're creating mixed media project. So Canva is designed for a range of purposes beyond video, like again, social media purposes like graphics, also presentations, and print materials. So it's a great all-rounder. Now for the pros of Canva, it is very versatile, or it is a very versatile platform for various content types beyond video, as I said earlier. And the simple drag and drop interface is ideal for the beginners, and it is good for creating mixed media designs. And for the cons of it, it has limited video specific features and editing capabilities, and it also has fewer options for text to video or advanced animations, and video exports may not match InVideo's quality. So, which tool is or should you choose? So if you're focused on video creation and want a platform loaded with video specific features, InVideo is a fantastic choice for you. It's built with video in mind and delivers professional quality while staying simple to use. And on the other hand, Canva is a great option if you need an all-purpose design tool and only occasionally work on videos. It's more versatile across design types, but limited on video specific features. So both InVideo and Canva have their unique strength. So for video creators looking to produce high quality content quickly, InVideo is an excellent choice because of this feature again. And if you want to try it out, you can sign up for a free InVideo account with the link down below. So that is all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.